Hello all, welcome to Technostack. In the section of working with Python, we are seeing string functions. Earlier we have seen length function, count function, title, lower, upper, is title, is lower, find, are find and replace functions so far. Today we are seeing index, are index functions. So index and find function is kind of similar function. Only difference is whenever you cannot find a string using find function, it will show you the negative like -1 as an output, whereas whenever you use index function and if you can't find a string, it will show you it will throw an exception. That is the only difference between find and index. Yet we'll just see how it works. So I have taken a string, that is Python is the easiest language. So now I'll just take the function index. So I equals to str7 dot index will find th fine, and simultaneously we'll take r equals to str7 dot r index, and with that we take th. We take the similar ones as we took in find and r find. Here, as we can see in the given string, that is Python is the easiest language, we have th twice, that is here in Python and here in the right. So let's see what output it gives us. So first we'll print I, and then we'll print R. So this function will also give us the index of the string where it will find the given string over here. Okay, similar to find function. Let's just run and see. As you can see over here in the output window, you got the index of first ts, that is 2, and our index is 10. Now here it will iterate. In index function, it will iterate from the beginning, whereas in our index, it will iterate from the last, and the last occurrence of the th will be given to you. Okay, so if you want to find an index that is not available over here in the string, let's say lag, and we'll just run and see what output it throws us. It will show us an error. It will throw an exception. Okay, substring not found. So value error exception it will throw, that is substring not found. The language the string that we are finding is not available in the given string. Let's just run and see. Okay, LA is present at 22nd index. So this is how you use index and R index functions in Python. They're very similar to find functions. Only difference, again, I'm saying, is whenever you're using find function and if you don't get the required string, it will show you -1 value in the output console. Whereas whenever you are using index function or R index function, and if you don't find the string that you want in the given string, then it will throw an exception that we just saw, that it will throw an error value exception that the substring that we are finding is not found in the main string. Okay, so this was index and R index functions. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned for more such content to Technostack. Thank you.